Dirty lens.
So anyway, so lighting up there, and then down here,
it's dark.
Yeah. So down here, I plan to actually do a totally crazy thing, which is again the storage up there, but also the walls go this way, you know, and then they're not necessarily walls that go all the way down to the ground. Morning.
Looking back from episode 17, Himanshu didn't put a tight enough seal, so he had to redo the door.
It's a planer. This door is designed, this door was uneven at the bottom with the panels, so I've just trimmed it to be plain. This way, if I wanted to extend it in height, I would have a plain surface to work with, and all I need to do is attach some wood and I'll be good to go. However, before I attach the wood, I would like to try it with just the thing that we got, and if that solves the purpose, I don't need to extend the door. If you want to see what I mean, you can come closer, see on the other end. I'm about to go do it. So notice, a door is designed with several panels. For example, this at some point it must have been a 2x4. And then they designed the panel with a router and cut all these things. If I wanted to, I could dismantle it the whole way and break it apart and then sand it individually, but that is way more involved than I care to I mean, I might as well build a new door at that point. You know. But now notice this. So now if you come closer and feel the difference, it's plain. Now remember those manual planers? The push block kind? This is just a faster way to do it with an electronic. Anyway, I'm glad I have that tool because once I start my work on the, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Once I start my work on the cabinetry, I will need to do a lot of that stuff. Okay, so this stage, I think the door has been prepped for sanding. But before I do that, I'm gonna blow through all this sawdust.
Go check to see what he's got going in there.
Well, I am just trying to grab a tool. Actually,
It's a shame you didn't make that one of those buckets with water inside with the with the bottles painted with peanut butter to trap the mouses in.
Oh yeah, I needed to do that. I should do that.
Well, you know, you could even place them right outside your doorstep on the staircase, right at the staircase where you could get the mice compelled with the peanut butter than the house.
Yeah.
That's one way to avoid them.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just looking for parts right now. Nothing important.
Is that how long the door jamb is?
Huh? No, the height it's supposed to be.
Oh, the height's good, right? Or it's
No,
not
the
good?
width. The width of the door is good,
Yeah.
and we'll slice it off
Yeah.
here. So it'll be just fine. Put the screws through there. We'll be good to go.
Are you gonna screw it first?
What task? After sanding one side of the door, Himanshu had to get the other side sanded, which was sanded by Kayla. It was a good learning experience for her, as it was for me to learn to build an entire house step by step, as well as getting it waxed for permanent use. Is that the same stain you used to paint the rest of the wood?
Yeah.
But didn't you stain it with that before?
No. Not the door.
So how did it get rusty after?
The door was already like this when I bought
Rusty before sanding it. It also looked waxed, at
it.
first.
Oh, it was.